In its latest budget, the province announced it will be pumping a lot of money into our healthcare system. $2.8 billion over the next 3 years to be exact. That money will go towards hiring more doctors and nurses and expanding hospitals and acute care facilities across BC. At the same time, other projects like the Burnaby Hospital redevelopment will have to be put on pause.
We'll break ground on a permanent home for SFU's medical school in Surrey this year. This is about adjusting the pace of some of the things we want to do so that we can do what we need to do to secure BC's future.
Phase 1 of the project is nearly complete. Phase 2, with a $1.8 billion price tag, would see the construction of an acute care tower with a new ICU, 160 private rooms, and an expanded imaging department. But it will now be reassessed.
I see some real problems with the postponement of major projects like hospitals, Burnaby General in particular. Look, the biggest problem we have is an aging population. There's lots of them and they're heavy users. That's who's breaking the back of the healthcare system right now. So Burnaby is a good example of a place loaded with lots of old people. What's the fallout? It's going to jam more patients back into the acute care hospital beds.
On top of that, the province is also hitting pause on several long-term care home projects, including in Abbotsford, Chilliwack, Delta, and beyond, sparking debate in question period.
We need 16,000 additional long-term care beds by 2036, and this government doesn't have a plan. To the minister, in what decade will the beds you cancelled actually be delivered?
There are proposals that are coming across my desk right now for long-term care facilities where the cost per bed is $1.8 million per bed. We are not approving them. We are not approving them. We're going back to the drawing board because we cannot afford to spend that kind of money on long-term care.
As for Burnaby Hospital, the budget does not give a new timeline for Phase 2. The Hospital Foundation says it's disappointed with the province's decision and says it's currently meeting with donors about next steps. In Burnaby, Cecilia Hua, City News.